What's going on, YouTube? Got two quick unboxings here. Let's get into them. Let's see what they are. I believe this one here is from Bold Precious Metals. Been waiting for about a month and a half of these. Hopefully they came all right. All right, let's see what this is here. Hope everybody's doing fine. It's a little cloudy in my area today. We got some scatter rain. Hopefully your weather's looking better where you're at. And I was picked up 4 of these. I'm going to show you just one, so, unboxing don't have to be so long. So this is it. It's the 35th anniversary Back to the Future. Let's get inside here and see what it looks like. The COA is 365. It's the out of time license plate. Believe it's a 2-ounce 3/9 fine silver from NIU. Let's take a look and see what it looks like. And here it goes. This is what it looks like. Sorry about the glare. We take a closer look at the plate. I actually think this is a really cool piece. Happy to pick this up. So I picked up 4 of them. Let me move to the side here. What's this at? Here goes the other. I'll just take them out real quick. Got 4 of them here. Let me show you the back of the box. Here goes the back of the box. Really cool. I like it. So here goes 1. Here goes 2. I believe Precious Metals had this on a sale in, I don't know, about 2 months ago. It was supposed to ship on July 20th. I guess with everything that's going on, they got pushed back. So it's great to actually finally have them here. So this is the 3rd one. Alright. Then we got 1 more to go. So I've been still buying silver. I've just been really selective on what I buy at the moment. Hopefully trying to buy something that has some type of collectability, just in case the spot price does drop in the near future. Whatever I'm purchasing now, I'm hoping will still hold its value and not drop with the spot price. Alright, so here you go. That's 4 of those. Oh, this box ain't closed right. Hold on. So that's 4 of those. And let's see what we got in this box here. This one, I got this one from Apmex. These are just actually to continue some of my series that I have at the moment. Some series that I enjoy. And by the way, these Back to the Future, I'm actually selling 3 of them and keeping 1. So either I'll get the one for myself at 0 cost or at an extremely high discount. So that's what I'm doing with those there. Alright. Make sure my invoice doesn't come out with it. Okay. So the first one I have here is the 2020 NEU 1 ounce silver animals, the Red Phoenix, celestial animals. I believe this is a third in the series. Actually, I like the series here. I think that looks pretty awesome. I actually like the design that's around the rim here along the edges. I think it's pretty cool. I think the Red Phoenix, they did a great job on it as well. And here goes the back. As usual, we have the Queen. Alright, so that's the first one there. You know, it's really sad that these coins come in this big bag here, just dancing around. Not even in a protective plastic or in a protective case. But I actually enjoy this series as well. I'm only picking up one of these at a time just because of the quality issues. Especially the way they ship them. You know, these coins should be coming in a capsule. You know, I think they're real pretty coins. And here goes the back. The Republic of the Chad. 2020, 5,000 francs. And this is, I believe, the Mandela series. I'm actually missing the elephant. This is the fourth in the series. So elephant is the third in the series. I'm actually missing that one. So I'm going to have to circle back and see if I could pick up one of those. Alright, so that's that. You know, I do enjoy slab coins. I think in 20 years, 15 years, these coins here will be doing very well. You know, if you look at kookaburras, you know, the early years, looking at an MS-70 or a Rwanda, you know, wildlife series, or MS-70 early in their series, like the gorilla or the elephant or the tiger. I believe those are doing well. So I'm hoping the same thing will happen with these. You know, 10 years time, you know, 15 years time, you know, these will be having a high premium on them, and will be difficult to get. This is the first strike, MS-70, 2020 Swan. So I do need to go back and get this in the raw form, just in the case capsule. I sent mine out to be graded. I thought I had some more, and I did not get that in a 70, nor the first strike designation. So this was a pretty good deal. I just had to wait for Apmex to lower their price for shipping, because I believe they got up to, I believe, $200 or $300. I don't remember. They did that last time, and not too long ago. So that's pretty much it. I got 4 of the Back to the Future coins, 2 ounces each. Picked up the Celestial Animals and the Mandela series and Swan first strike. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 more ounces to the stack. Thank you for watching. I should be having another unboxing within the next day or two, waiting for some coins to come back from PCGS. So stay with me. Keep watching the videos, and I'll show you what those coins are. Have a great night. Have a great day. See you on the next video.